In our previous video, we have seen what are equivalent fractions. In this video, we will see how do we determine whether the two given fractions are equivalent or not. So let us take an example. Suppose we have a fraction 2 by 3 and 6 by 9. We know that 2 by 3 and 6 by 9 are equivalent because the second fraction is obtained by multiplying both the numerator and denominator of the first fraction by 3. Now let us multiply the numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction. So we get 2 into 9 as 18. And let us multiply the denominator of the first fraction with the numerator of the second fraction. So 3 into 6 gives us 18. And what do we see? If the fractions are equivalent, then the numerator of the first multiplied to the denominator of the second becomes equal to the numerator of the second multiplied to the denominator of the first. If this condition is satisfied, then the fractions are equivalent. Okay, so if we have two fractions a over b and c over d, so if a into d is equal to b into c, then a over b is equivalent to c over d. I hope this much is clear to everyone. Let us see an example. Suppose we have 2 over 13 and say 24 over 26. We need to determine whether the two given fractions are equivalent. Are the two fractions equivalent? The numerator of the one multiplied to the denominator of the other gives you 52. Okay, so the numerator is multiplied to the denominator. Now the denominator of the first multiplied to the numerator of the other gives you 312. Okay, so this is d1 into n2, and we see that n1 into d2 is not equal to d1 into n2. Therefore 2 by 13 is not equivalent to 24 over 26. I hope this much is clear to everyone. Let us see one more example. If the two fractions are say 27 over 36, and it's told that 27 over 36 is equivalent to a fraction which is 3 over something. You need to find the denominator such that the two fractions are equivalent. So what we can do, we know that here 27 is divided by 9. We form equivalent fraction by multiplying or dividing by the same number. So we divide it by 9 to get a 4. So we say that 27 by 36 is equivalent to 3 over 4. If the fraction given is 4 by 9, you have to determine a fraction which is equivalent to 4 by 9 having a denominator of 81. What should come here? Let us see. So we see that 9 when multiplied by 9 gives you an 81. The same thing we will do here. We'll multiply 4 by 9 to get a 36. So I hope this much about the equivalent fraction is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts regarding this video, you can send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com. This is my YouTube channel Mathacademy. If you have liked my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.